Hi there. My name is Angie with Centerpiece Insurance Group, and I help people as a Medicare advisor, whether someone is turning 65 and new to Medicare, whether they already are on Medicare and want to compare some different plans. And I also help those that are caring for a parent or a loved one and making the best decisions for everyone's family. This is Medicare Moment with Angie, where I will share short, easy to understand tips about Medicare each month. Today, let's start with the basics. What's the difference between Medicare A, B, C, and D? Well, A pays for everything in the hospital, B pays for everything outside of the hospital. That's original Medicare. It's awesome, but it only covers 80%. So then you have to look at Medicare Part C, which either can be an Advantage plan or it can be a supplemental plan. And then you have Part D, which covers your prescription drugs. Medicare isn't a one-size-fits all. Everybody's a little bit different. I love being able to help people and find out what works best for them and for their families. I hope this was helpful. If you think someone else would enjoy it, please feel free to share. Thanks so much.